We've spent the last couple of years working with Cisco around the Cloud Center solution. So we were the original go-to-market partner for Clicker Technologies before Cisco bought them. We've found with our customers, it's not just about the software. For them, that's where our expertise is, specifically around integration of the multi-cloud stack into ServiceNow. But really what they want is an end-to-end solution delivered by one partner. And actually now we're part of Atos, we now have that capability, all the way from application platforming at the top end, through to the multi-cloud delivery, through to the infrastructure services and delivery.
We go and talk about the end-to-end capability, we go and talk about the application performance monitoring, we look at how that manages and measures what's happening from an end user perspective and identifying any errors along that journey. Then it collapses down into what we're doing around Cisco Workload Optimisation Manager and how that is looking at the virtualization or the virtualized estate within inside your environment or within inside the cloud environment, so an off-premise public cloud service. And then it's looking at that integration then into the on-premise automation through our Enterprise Cloud Suite software and UCS Director, and then ultimately onto the physical attributes of any data center, its network, its compute and its storage. Now that is a big stack. And very few partners can get anywhere near that. In fact, the only partner that I've worked with that can do the whole stack end-to-end is Engage ESM.
One of the main problems customers have when looking at migrating their existing workloads from the data center to the public cloud is around optimizing it before it's actually moved. Cisco have a relationship now with Turbonomic. They OEM their product under the name of Cisco Workload Optimization Manager.
Engage ESM is essentially the glue that drives a full software-defined data center capability for a customer. If you look at the Cisco portfolio, Cisco has specific products. Engage is able to knit together those products to produce a capability for that customer that guarantees application performance and agility.
One of the main customer problems that happens really early on within a customer's migration to the cloud is trying to get a handle on those application workloads. How are they constructed? What's the interdependencies between them? Until a customer really has a handle on that, they're never going to be able to migrate to the public cloud. We've teamed up with iQuate. They have a great Agentless Discovery Technology which allows us to discover the interdependencies with those applications.
So where our solution fits into the multi-cloud sphere is pretty much around helping customers or enabling customers to embrace the multi-cloud. So to migrate from their legacy environments and embracing, picking the best platforms and best providers for their particular applications. So we provide a discovery and service mapping solution that does exactly that. It gives a very clear picture of an application, of all the applications in a customer's legacy environment, all of the interdependencies between all of the components within those environments, and also the interdependencies between those applications.
One of the main risk factors and pain a customer has in migrating a workload from on-prem to the public cloud is one around understanding its performance and availability during that migration process. So we address that pain point by using APPDYNAMICS. In order to do that, we baseline the application's performance and availability prior to migration, and then again post-migration, to understand and prove to the business that the application is at least as performant or more performant post-migration. If we actually find problems at an application level during migration, then with AppD we have the ability to point to the line of code which causes those problems, thus massively reducing the time it takes us to fix them.
Multicloud's growth is, I believe, due in part to the fact that businesses who have adopted the cloud are now reviewing not just the way they're using the cloud, now they're really focusing on how they optimize their usage, and in particular cost. This is where Cisco Cloud Center and in partnership with that, obviously APPDYNAMICS can truly help.
Flexibility in cloud is what every customer is now interested in. So by providing a multi-cloud enabler, a multi-cloud framework from the get-go is essential, and that is without a doubt a winning contributing factor to Cisco's Cloud Center platform with Engage ESM helping deploy it.